3D modeling has officially reached the crazy level. What you're looking at right now, this crayon Shin-chan riding a little tricycle, wasn't hand-modeled and is not a purchased asset. I generated this entire 3D model using AI with just a single reference image. The process is extremely simple. No Sandy experience required. I just opened Hifer, uploaded the reference image, waited a few minutes, and the complete 3D model was generated automatically. And this isn't just a rough shell. Shin-chan's thick eyebrows, round eyes, iconic open mouth, his short arms and legs, the overall proportions, even the structure of a tricycle, everything is captured accurately. You can recognize him instantly. Once the model is ready, you can export it right away. You can refine the details further, or send it directly to a 3D printer and turn it into a physical figure. Think about what this means. In the past, making a character like this meant buying expensive licensed models or spending weeks learning 3D software. Now AI can give you a usable base model in minutes. Next, I'll show you some models I've made before. If you've ever wanted to turn your favorite anime character or IP into a real, touchable 3D object at a low cost, this is absolutely worth trying. I'll be testing more characters soon. Let me know in the comments, who should I turn into a 3D model next?